हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं टॉप 50 कंप्यूटर एमसीक्यू टॉपिक्स। फर्स्ट, कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following is used to play the game speedily? Options: A mouse, B keyboard, C joysticks, D RAM. Right answer is option C, joystick. Next question, which out of the following applications is launched by Google for chatting? Options: A Allo, B Spike, C IMO, D Hike. Right answer is options A Allo. Next question, Pentium is related with which part of the computer? Options: A DVD, B hard disk, C microprocessors, D MOS. Right answer is option C, microprocessor. Next question, which of the following is not included in Microsoft Office? Options: A Excel, B Android, C PowerPoint, D Word. Right answer is options B Android. Next question, which of the following institutions has developed the supercomputer Pratham? Options: A Wipro, B TCS, C PRL, D CDAC. Right answer is options D CDAC. Next question, what is system software? Options: A word processing, B program language, C graphics, D browser. Right answer is options B program language. Next question, which of the following is the types of network? Options: A LAN, B MAN, C WAN, D all of the above. Right answer is options D all of the above. Next question, which of the following is not the computer language? Options: A C++, B Unix, C Java, D all of the above. Right answer is options B Unix. Next question, what is the full form of UPS? Options: A United Parcel Service, B Uniform Product Support, C Under Power Supply, D Uninterrupted Power Supply. Right answer is options D Uninterrupted Power Supply. Next question, in keyboards control key is displayed with which name? Options: A Control, B Alt, C Shift, Page Down. Right answer is options A Control. Next topic, computer hardware MCQs. Question number 1, what is a device connecting a networks without using a cable? Options: A distributed, B wireless, C centralized, D open source. Right answer is options B wireless. Next question, where data is recorded in a floppy disk? Options: A sector, B runs, C rounder, D track. Right answer is options D tracks. Next question, dash dash is any part of the computers that you can physically touch. Options: A hardware, B data, C softwares, D input. Right answer is options A hardware. Next question, an electronics device that connects data into informations and process it. Options: A computer, B processor, C case, D stylus. Right answer is options A, computer. Next question. What is the permanent memory built into your computers called? Options A, RAM, B, ROM, C, CPU, D, CD-ROM. Right answer is options B, ROM. Next question. Chip is a common nickname for a. Options A, resistors, B, transistor, C, integrated circuits, D, semiconductor. Right answer is options A, resistor. Next question. All of the following are examples of storage device except options A, hard disk drive, B, printer, C, USB drive, D, DVD drive. Right answer is options B, printers. Next question. A computer hard disk is options A, an arithmetics and logics unit, B, computer software, C, an operating system, D, computer hardware. Right answer is options D, computer hardware. Next question. During the boot process, the dash dash looks for the system's file. Options A, CD, B, BIOS, basics input output systems, C, CPU, D, DVD. Right answer is options B, BIOS, basics input output system. Next question. The resolutions of a monitor is measured in options A, megabits, B, hertz, C, dot per inch, D, inch. Right answer is option C, dot per inch, DPI. Next topic, computer software MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following is the part of the system software? Options A, operating systems, B, utility softwares, C, browser softwares, D, both A and B part. Right answer is options D, both A and B part. Next question. The main functions of computer softwares is to turn data into options A, informations, B, program, C, object, D, both A and C part. Right answer is options A, information. Next question. Bugs mean options A, syntax errors in the programs, B, runtimes errors, C, logical errors in the programs, D, all of the above. Right answer is option C, logical error in the program. Next question. The process of finding errors, defects, bugs in the software programs is called options A, debugging, B, interpreting, C, compiling, D, testing. Right answer is options D, testing. Next question. Which of the following is not a kind of system software? Options A, BIOS softwares, B, Unix, Linux, C, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS, D, Microsoft Word. Right answer is options D, Microsoft Word. Next question. Application software is developed to accomplish options A, real world task, B, operating system task, C, computer centric task, D, all of the above. Right answer is options A, real world task. Next question. Which of the following are known as office oriented application software? Options A, interpreters, compilers, editors, B, network softwares, backup systems, C. Word processor, spreadsheets, database. D. Both A and C part. Right answer is option C. Word processor, spreadsheets, database. Next question. What is the full form of GUI? Options A. Graphical Universal Interface. B. Graphical User Interface. C. General Utility Interface. D. General Universal Interface. Right answer is options B. Graphical User Interface. Next question. Which of the following is not a kind of application software? Options A. Word processors. B. Database. C. Browsers. D. Device driver. Right answer is options D. Device driver. Next question. Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Google Docs are the examples of options A. An operating system software. B. System software. C. Utility software. D. Application software. Right answer is options D. Application software. Topics for input and output MCQs. Question number 1. What are the most common input device? Options A. Microphones, printers. B. Scanners, monitors. D. Digital camera, speakers. D. Keyboards, mouse. Right answer is options D. Keyboard and mouse. Next question. What is the functions of a keyboards in computer? Options A. Print. B. Input. C. Types. D. In between input and output. Right answer is options B. Input. Next question. What types of device is a computer printer? Options A. Input. B. Softwares. C. Storage. D. Output. Right answer is options D. Output. Next question. Which key enables the inputs of numbers quickly? Options A. Functions key. B. The numerics keypad. C. Arrow key. D. All of these. Right answer is options B. The numerics keypad. Next question. Which of the following could be digital input device for computers? Options A. Digital camcorders. Options B. Microphones. C. Scanners. D. All of the above. Right answer is options D. All of the above. Next question. Which of these is a points and draw device? Options A. Mouse. B. Scanners. C. Printers. D. CD-ROM. Right answer is options A. Mouse. Next question. Most techniques is used to assess the properties of any objects is called dash dash. Options A. Draggings. B. Droppings. C. Right clickings. D. Shift clickings. Right answer is option C. Right clicking. Next question. The first computer mouse is built by dash dash. Right answer is options A. Douglas Engelbart. Next question. Which among the following are the kinds of mouse? Options A. Mechanicals general. B. Opticals mechanicals. C. Optical generals. D. Opticals light. Right answer is options B. Opticals mechanical. Next question. AUS standards keyboard follows. Options A. QWERTY models. B. 104 models. C. 108 models. D. All of these. Right answer is options A. QWERTY models. Next topic. Personal computer MCQs. Question number 1. Which part of a computer helps to store information? Options A. Keyboard. B. Monitors. C. Printers. D. Disk drive. Right answer is options D. Disk drive. Next question. A disk on which you stores informations dash dash. Options A. Data disk. B. Plates. C. Paper disk. D. TV disk. Right answer is options A. Data disk. Next question. The main systems boards of a computer is called the options A. Integrated circuits. B. Processor. C. Motherboards. D. Microchips. Right answer is option C. Motherboard. Next question. The dash dash is the box that hosts the most important part of a computer system. Options A. Input device. B. Systems units. C. Softwares. D. Hardware. Right answer is options B. System unit. Next question. IBM stands for dash dash. Options A. International's banking map. B. International's best market. C. Indian business models. D. International business machine. Right answer is options D. International's business machine. Next question. Accessories connects the system units with dash dash. Options A. Port. B. Zips. C. Bus. D. None of these. Right answer is options A. Port. Next question. Main circuit boards of a computer is called dash dash. Options A. Keyboard. B. Microboard. C. Motherboard. D. None of these. Right answer is option C. Motherboard. Next question. Physical structures of computer is called options A. Software. B. Hardware. C. Humanware. D. All of these. Right answer is options B. Hardware. Next question. In world today most of the computers are dash dash. Options A. Digital. B. Hybrid. C. Analog. D. Complex. Right answer is options A. Digital. Next question. PARAMs is an examples of dash dash. Options A. Supercomputers. B. PC. C. Laptop. D. PDA. Right answer is options A. Supercomputer. Thank you for watching this videos.